Something strange appeared in deep space. Not an explosion, not a galaxy, not a normal stream of stars. Astronomers found a thin, almost perfect line of young blue stars stretching through the darkness. It looked too clean to be random. At first, every normal answer started falling apart. It did not look like a galaxy seen from the side. It did not behave like a simple jet. And then, JWST looked at the very front of the trail. That is when the mystery got deeper. The gas there was not calm. It looked disturbed, heated, and pushed aside, as if something enormous had passed through before anyone could see it. And that is where this story turns from strange to almost unbelievable. The trail may be the wake of a supermassive black hole that was kicked out of its own galaxy. A black hole moving so fast that it does not just disappear into space, it leaves evidence behind. A line of newborn stars, a disturbed front of gas, and a path pointing back to one of the most extreme events a galaxy can survive. This may be the first time we are seeing a black hole escape, not by spotting the black hole itself, but by following the stars it left behind. The mystery begins with a shape that should not look this clean. Astronomers were studying a distant compact galaxy when they noticed a thin, almost ruler-straight feature stretching away from it. It was not a messy cloud, not a spiral arm, and not a normal stream of stars pulled loose by gravity. It looked like a bright mark across space, narrow, organized, and strangely precise. But the real surprise was what the streak contained: young blue stars and glowing gas. That meant this was not old material drifting quietly in the dark. Something had recently disturbed it, heated it, compressed it, and helped trigger new star formation. That detail changed everything. If this were simply a thin galaxy seen from the side, scientists would expect stars of many ages and colors. Instead, the streak looked young and active, as if it had been shaped by a recent event. So researchers tested the usual explanations. Could it be a jet from an active galaxy? At first, that made sense. Powerful jets can slam into gas and trigger star formation, but the shape did not fit. A jet usually spreads out as it travels farther from its source. This feature seemed strongest and narrowest near the far end. The more normal explanation struggled, the more one strange idea stayed alive: a runaway supermassive black hole. If a massive compact object were racing through thin gas at extreme speed, it could compress gas in front of it and leave a disturbed wake behind. In that wake, gas could cool, clump, and form new stars. So the streak was not just beautiful. It may have been evidence. Like footprints in snow, the stars were not the object itself. They were the clue that something powerful had passed through. And that makes this discovery bigger than one strange image. If a black hole is moving through intergalactic space, it may not shine directly. But if it disturbs gas strongly enough, the universe may reveal its path with a glowing trail. That is why the next step mattered so much. Hubble showed the mystery. Keck added early clues. But JWST had to look at the front of the trail and ask the crucial question: is there a real shock there? The most important clue was not the length of the trail. It was what happened at the tip. If a runaway black hole is tearing through gas, the front should not look calm. It should show shock, heating, compression, and sudden motion. That is exactly what researchers used JWST to investigate. They were not just taking a sharper image, they were reading the gas itself. JWST's instruments split the light into chemical fingerprints. These fingerprints reveal whether gas is calm, forming stars, or being disturbed by something powerful. And the key result was striking. The gas at the tip showed evidence consistent with a bow shock. Think of a boat cutting through water and leaving a wake behind it. In space, the gas is much thinner, but the idea is similar. If a massive object moves faster than the sound speed of the surrounding gas, it can create a shock front. Researchers found a sharp velocity jump and emission lines that match fast shocks. That is why the runaway black hole idea became so powerful. A normal star cluster would struggle to explain this kind of forward shock. A simple jet had shape problems. A thin galaxy had population problems. But a supermassive black hole racing through gas could connect the pieces. The bright tip, the disturbed gas, the long trail, and the newborn stars behind it. The black hole itself may remain invisible, but its motion could be written into the gas around it. And this is the most exciting part. The black hole is not creating stars like a machine. It is changing the conditions around it. As gas gets compressed, dense pockets can form. Those pockets cool, collapse, and ignite into stars. So the wake becomes a strange nursery where an object known for darkness may be helping light appear behind it. Still, this is new science. Researchers will keep testing the model and checking alternatives. But that makes the story even better. A strange streak was found. Normal explanations struggled. Then, JWST added evidence that made the bold idea much harder to ignore. Now the question is no longer only, what is this trail? It is, what could launch a supermassive black hole out of its own galaxy? A supermassive black hole does not simply drift out of a galaxy. These giants usually sit near galactic centers, locked inside a huge environment of stars, gas, dark matter, and gravity. So if one escapes, something extreme must have happened. That is why the origin story points toward galaxy mergers. When galaxies collide, their stars mostly miss each other because space is so vast. But their gas, dust, and central black holes do not ignore the encounter. Over time, the black holes can sink toward the new center and begin a long gravitational dance. One possible launch mechanism is gravitational wave recoil. When two supermassive black holes merge, they release energy as gravitational waves. If that energy escapes unevenly, the newly formed black hole gets kicked in the opposite direction. In extreme cases, that kick can be strong enough to launch it out of the galaxy. That matters because gravitational waves do not only ripple through space, they can reshape galaxies. If a central black hole is kicked away, the whole galactic core may change, affecting gas movement, star formation, and future activity. Another possibility is a three-body slingshot. If two black holes form a binary, then a third one enters during another merger, the system can become unstable. One black hole may be flung outward at high speed, while the others remain behind or merge later. For this runaway candidate, the newer JWST-based interpretation favors a compact, massive object moving supersonically through surrounding gas. Its mass may reach more than 10 million suns, which makes a merger recoil especially compelling. And this is where the discovery becomes cinematic. Two galaxies collide. Their central black holes spiral inward. After a long gravitational struggle, they merge. Then, in one uneven release of energy, the newborn giant is kicked away from the center and races through the galaxy's outer gas. As it moves, it compresses material ahead of it. Behind it, gas cools, clumps, and forms stars. The result is a glowing trail that may reveal the black hole's escape route. That is what makes this finding so special. A runaway black hole may be dark, but its path may glow. Instead of only searching for displaced black holes, astronomers may now search for long, thin, star-forming wakes. And if one can be found this way, the next question is huge. Are runaway supermassive black holes rare cosmic accidents, or have we simply not known how to look for them? So, why does this runaway black hole matter? Because it may show us that even the darkest objects in the universe can leave glowing evidence behind. A supermassive black hole may have escaped its galaxy. Its motion may have shocked the gas around it, and behind it, a long trail of newborn stars may now mark the path of its escape. This trail is not just a strange line in space, it is evidence. It tells us that galaxy mergers can launch massive objects, that gravitational waves can reshape cosmic systems, and that star formation can happen in places we never expected. So here's the big question. If one runaway black hole can reveal itself through a glowing trail of stars, how many more invisible giants could be moving through deep space right now without us knowing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. Your support truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.